Well, that was lucky. I had a car come and open the gate for me. Well, good morning everybody. It's 6:30 a.m. Sun has just come up. It's chilly, probably about 10 degrees I guess. And this is the first ride I've had on my little CT125 in probably 8 weeks. Because I've been overseas on a 5-week holiday in the USA with the wife and 2 granddaughters, 14 and 15. If you look at my channel, you'll see the videos of our holidays, where we went, East Coast, West Coast, what we did. Anyway, I have no plans for today. I just thought I would come out, grab the bike, because I haven't ridden it for so long. I threw the drone in at the last minute whim, and we'll see where we're going to end up. Right, where we go? Let's go to the banks near the Coomera River. I haven't been there for years. And I probably should have turned right here. Actually, I will. Yeah, should have turned right here. If I'll go where I want to go. Alright, so we're going to go down inside the river. So we're going to be where that guy on the push bike is. We're going to head on that road, same direction. Okay. Coomera Police Centre, Coomera Police Station. Oh, had some very happy times, happy memories working in at Coomera Police Station. Well, I guess the day will come when this river does break at banks, because it's a floodplain either side. Over here is a definite floodplain, but I've lived in this area for 35-40 years and seen multiple floods, but they've never broken the bank. But mind you, it's a tidal river. It's not too far from the ocean. Alright, so where do we go to fly this drone? Let's go up here somewhere. Oh yeah, there used to be several old houses on this block. And I guess it's going to be replaced by, let's go and have a look. Looks like they're all set to build. New land release, level and retain lots, choose your builder. Oh. Alright, let's go over here somewhere and we'll park. Right, let's hop off. Get this drone out and have a bit of a fly. Here we go. And push the record button, Greg. There we go, recording. Here we are. Obligatory wave, and up you go. Okay, so here we have the suburb of Coomera. And this sporting field you can see almost in the centre of the camera. Just here is a Coomera Colts football soccer club. Right, spin him around. Yeah, probably get a glare from the sun. Yep, you can see the coast out there. Coomera River, you see the bridge. New bridge getting constructed for the freeway that I mentioned. Surfers Paradise in the distance. And this is Coomera Shores, I think. Oh no, that's Helensvale. When you get on the other side of the river, you're in the Helensvale. Most of them are completely built out. Now this block of land you see here, that big green patch, you can see, that's been vacant for donkey's years. Donkey's years. And there's various things. At one stage they were going to build a car dealership there. Somebody told me they were going to build housing there, but it's very close to the freeway. But it's right on the waterway. Yeah, I don't know what they're going to do with it. And you can see the freeway. Now, the one that's on the far side, going south to north toward Brisbane, is going probably a little bit quicker than the freeway coming from Brisbane to the Gold Coast. Let's go a bit closer and have a look. Yeah, I don't really want to fly over the freeway, do I? That would be foolish. And there you go, you can see the traffic stopped in the two outside lanes, and that's the fast lanes. Yeah, if I throw the gimbal up a bit, take up to the hinterland, you can see the Coomera River. Alright, so here we have the M1 Pacific Motorway running right through Coomera, where I am, through to Helensvale, and it continues all the way down to the border with New South Wales. Alright, Surfers Paradise in the distance on the horizon. And if we pan around, that big tall chimney type structure, that's Dreamworld. It's a theme park, Dreamworld. Right, so there's the Coomera River. So we'll do a 360 pan around. Some really expensive houses here on the canals. Talking a couple of $1 million for a cheap one. And here we are down on the banks of the river. You can see right in the middle of the screen now that bare patch. That's here, that bare patch just there. So that's where we are. Alright, so I think we might bring it back. Return to home, let's do that. And you can see the drone's going to fly right over the top of me. 120 metres high, the legal height. And I can't see it. I can't hear it. But there it is, I can see it now. Right up there, probably can't see it. Right above me. Anyway, it'll be coming down very shortly. Yep, spinning around. Getting ready to land. There it is, here it comes. Probably can't see it on the camera. Should be coming into view right about now. Here it is. Oh well, close enough I suppose, not quite. There we go, that'll do. There it is, down. And switch off the recording. Here we go. Turn this off. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed that impromptu ride. Didn't really know I was going to head off to until I started going and thinking about it. Very pretty part of the world here. Just have a quick look. Look at this. Someone's ditched a bike. Stolen, my guess. Yeah, I wonder if they plan to come back and get it. I'll put it up here so maybe someone been there for a while too, by the look of it. It's been embedded in the soil, the handlebar. Put it over here and maybe the owner will see it and come and get it. Yeah, oh well. Good luck to the owner. Here's the police. Barry Wellington. I think it was Barry. My mate. If it is, go and have a chat. I just had a wonderful chat with my ex or former colleague, Senior Constable Barry Wellington, Queensland Police Service. Bazza, or Beef as we called him, Beef Wellington. Very, very professional policeman. On the downward side of his career, almost ready to retire. Still got about 1 or 2 years left before he reaches retirement age, and telling me he wants to settle in far north Queensland, which is where he comes from. And I wish him well. I do. Worked a number of years with Barry, and a gentleman. Alright, I had a photo with him, put that on Facebook, as you do. Time to go home. I need a coffee. I can feel the caffeine withdrawal symptoms. Alright, go home and see what's happening. Let's get out of here.